In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for school in just 5 minutes. Notion is an adaptable tool that can organize your school life efficiently, helping you keep track of everything from classes to assignments. Stick around to learn how to make the most out of Notion for your educational needs. First things first, let's dive into creating a new page that will be the central hub of your academic activities. Go ahead and open Notion, and you'll want to create a new page. This will serve as your student dashboard. Think of this as your command center where everything school-related will revolve around. Give it a personal touch by naming it Student Dashboard. Next, you'll need to set up a table database. Tables in Notion can help you track various aspects of your school life. What we want to do now is lay out your weekly class timetable. By doing so, you'll have a clear overview of your schedule right where you need it. Now on to organizing your courses. We'll create a gallery database for this. Galleries are perfect for visualizing the different classes you're taking. In this gallery, each entry should be a subject. This method lets you see all your subjects at a glance, which is especially useful if you're a visual learner. Once your gallery is set up, it's time to link it with a table database. In Notion, databases are versatile enough to support gallery views within tables. By creating a table database, you can have a more detailed view and easy takeaways from your gallery. It's about connecting form with function. Consider this your baseline. And from here, you'll want to add properties to personalize the information for each course. You can include specifics like professors' names, room numbers, or any other details that help improve your workflow. Properties are powerful and can be customized to fit whatever you need. Switching gears a bit, we'll add another table view. This one should be dedicated to tracking assignments or homework. Having such a table ensures that you never miss a critical task or deadline. For even more organization, add relevant columns to this table specifically for assignments. Consider columns like due date, assignment description, and status to give clear insights into what's next on your to-do list. This setup is essential to stay ahead of work and keep stress at bay. Finally, integrate a calendar view. The calendar will act as your visual timeline to monitor due dates across all your assignments. Calendar views excel in providing a big picture perspective on what's coming up, helping you plan your days more efficiently. And that's it! By following these steps, you will have a robust system in Notion designed specifically for managing your school experience. With this setup, you can focus more on learning and less on organizing. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!